Square prism base 50 mm side and height 100 mm as its axis inclined to 45 degree to HP as an edge of its base on the HP draw its projection. So here the axis inclined to HP means that is a simple position axis is perpendicular to HP. Base edge is resting on HP means true shape square shape obtained in the horizontal plane. So here this is the square prism. So and bottom side that is A, B and top side that is PQ. Top side is PQ and bottom side A, B, C, D. And if it having four corners and top side also it having four corners PQ, RS. Here this is the P is left side and Q that is the right side and behind that R and S. So here this is the top view of the object, top view of this object, and PQRS is visible when we view from the top. So here the axis is look like a refill. So this is the cover place is the solid. So this is the axis position. This is the axis position, and when you view from the top, that is each corner you have to project it as square shape is obtained in the top view. Each corner PQRS, each corner you have to project it. You have to project, that is 4 projection points are meet in the horizontal plane. Here the axis is inclined means simple position perpendicular to HP, and you have to join all the meeting points. You have to join all the meeting points and you will get a square shape is obtained in the horizontal plane. So here base edge is resting on HP means true shape is obtained in the horizontal plane. So here and P top side that is P, Q and R, S is visible, and bottom side, in the bottom side when you view from the top, the bottom side A, this is the A and B, A, B, C, D is not visible when you view from the top. B, C and D is not visible. So that is you have to represent a closed bracket. You have to represent the closed bracket means not visible. So let us PQRS is visible and ABCD is not visible. When you view from the front means that is a rectangle shape is obtained. Without solid means you have to project the top view square towards the vertical plane. Above XY draw the projection lines up to 100 mm. You have to project it. Each corner you have to project it. So that is a 4 corners, that is a rectangle shape is obtained in the vertical plane. So you have to project each corner AB and top PQ. You have to project it, and bottom also you have to project towards the vertical plane. And that is a rectangle shape is the front view of this object. So this is the meeting point is obtained in the vertical plane, and after that and join all the meeting points you will get a rectangle shape that is obtained in the vertical plane. So this is the front view of this object. So A, B and top side that is PQ. So when you view from the front, so the rectangle shape is obtained. Rectangle shape is obtained after the projection that you will obtain in the vertical plane. You have to project it. Visible and not visible corners you have to project in the vertical plane. You have to represent, denote the letters. So here left side A is visible and D is not visible in bottom side, and A dash you have to represent A dash and D dash is not visible. You have to put in a closed bracket, that is, and you have to see the right side B is visible, B dash is visible and C dash is not visible. So this is the top portion. Bottom portion is completed and we have to represent in the top portion. You have to denote the letters. So P dash and Q dash, that is the front portion, is visible, and S dash is not visible, and R dash is not visible. This is an axis. This is your axis. You have to represent in the square, the center of the object. So axis is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Axis is perpendicular to horizontal plane. You have to represent in the vertical plane. You have to represent in the vertical plane. The center portion, top view, you have to project it towards the vertical plane. So axis line, you have drawn axis line. So axis is 45 degree inclined to HP. Axis is 45 degree inclined to HP. You have to take a convenient distance. After that, you have to take a protractor and make an angle, make an inclination angle, that is with an angle of 45 degree. You have to draw the line that having 45 degree angle. You have to draw it. Accurate, you have to take an accurate measurement. Accurate measurement. Don't draw a rough sketch. And this is the measurement, left side and right side, the base of the solid, base of the solid. So this is the A dash and B dash measurement, A dash and B dash measurement, and in between gap there is a axis line is there. Axis line is there. The base is perpendicular to the axis. The base is perpendicular to the axis, and one of the bottom side, that is right side B dash, is touch the XY line. Don't cross the XY line. Don't cross. You have to represent, that is A dash, D1 dash. Okay. In other side, that is B1 dash and C1 dash. These are the bottom corners. The axis is parallel to the P dash A dash line. That is S dash D dash line is invisible. P dash A dash line, you have to draw the parallel line. So here also you have to draw the parallel line. You have to draw it from A dash to P dash, that will parallel. So base measurement, left side of the axis, left side of the axis, and the right side of the axis, you have to draw it, that will equally and parallelly. You have to draw it equally and parallelly. You have to draw it, and top portion you have to close it. So top portion Q1 dash and R1 dash, and top portion another corner, that is P1 dash, P1 dash, S1 dash. This is the second stage front view. Second stage front view. And after that, you have to project each corner towards the horizontal plane. Towards the horizontal plane. You have to project it. You have to project each corner. And you have to project, that will meet the XY line, and after that you have to project in the horizontal plane. So bottom side means, that is ABCD. You have to, that is the base of the solid, and top portion means PQRS. So you have to project top portion and bottom portion, each corner you have to project towards the horizontal plane. So bottom side A1 dash D1 dash, these are projection lines, and B1 dash C1 dash projection lines, and P dash S1 dash projection lines, and Q1 dash R1 dash you have to project it towards the horizontal plane. You have to project it. You have to project, that will meet the XY line. That will meet the XY line, and then you have to project in the horizontal plane. So both projection lines and or intersect. So that is a first stage top view, that is square shape. You have to project it towards the right side, and two projection lines are intersecting. Okay, the intersecting points you have to denote letters. So this is the final position. You go to seeing the final position of the solid, that is square shape, reduced shape is obtained in the top view, and also one of the small rectangle is obtained in the top view. Okay, small rectangle. So first you go to draw a top view portion, that is top view means reduced shape square. So P1 and Q1, P1, Q1, R1, S1. So this is the S1, S1 dash and S. You go to meeting point, that is S1, and Q1 dash Q, meeting point, intersecting point, that is Q1, and R1, R1 dash and R, that will meet. So and after that you got join from P1 to Q1 and Q1 to R1, R1 to S1 and S1 to P1, that is reduced shape, reduced square shape is obtained in the top view. Reduced square shape is obtained in the top view, and after that this is the rectangle shape is obtained, that is P and S. So bottom side AB, bottom side AD. So and P and A joining point, joining edge, and S and D are joining edge. So P and S, this is the P and S, this is P and S, and that is bottom side, the bottom side AD, and P joined in the edge, P joined with the A. So A projection lines, meeting point is A1, and D1 dash and D projection line, that is meeting point D1, and after that you go to joining edge is there, so you go to join it P1 and A1, you go to join it. On the same procedure to do other side, that is D1 to S1, D1 to S1, you go to join bottom also, you go to join it, and after that the one more thing, the base, one of the edge is resting on HP, one of the base edge is resting on HP. So this is the inclined position view from the front, inclined position view from the front, that will obtain in the vertical plane, that is above XY, that will obtain in the vertical plane. Now view from the top, below XY, and square shape, reduced square shape and reduced rectangle shape is obtained. So base edge, that is BC, is resting on HP, and that will touch the horizontal plane, and that is not visible when you view from the top, and hidden lines are used. So BC, that is represent by using the hidden lines. This is the final position and final front view and final top view of this object, square prism. Okay, so initially that is true shape is obtained in the horizontal